Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's well. Just looking at Gary. I hope you're all doing well, guys. So today we've got a conifer to dig out and remove. It's basically been growing next to the house for some time and the customer basically wants it gone. It's just hogging all the light and there's no light going into their dining room. So we're going to do that and we're going to get rid of that, guys. So stay tuned and we'll see you in a bit. Cool. Hey guys, so this is what we got today, this conifer here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to cut all the foliage away and exposing the main trunk. And what we're going to do then is keep some of the trunk so we can use it to wiggle it out. We'll have to dig around a little bit and then we'll use the bar just down here to basically break through some of those roots and hopefully we can get it out. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And thanks guys, we'll see you in a bit. Gotta love it when the customer gives you cake. Cool. Okay guys, so we're back from the dump now and now it's time to dig this bad boy out. Okay guys, so far, guys, you want to give that a little wiggle? You see that moving about? So what we've got is, you see there, is actually moving this whole bit of driveway here. So we're gonna have to just try and cut that. It's because I don't want it to take it away and then all of a sudden the whole driveway drops. So I might just cut that down the side there and leave that bit there. But yeah, this is the reason why we leave length on the actual trunk itself, because people cut it right down here and then you've got no leverage to push and pull. So this is why we leave it this big, and that way it just gives you that leverage to pull it out. Okay guys, we're gonna crack on.
Yeah? Yeah. Sweet.
So there you go, guys, we've done that. You can see there's no damage to the driveway, but as you see just at the bottom of the stump just here, this is obviously where some of the roots had gone underneath. So this can be patched up at some point anyway, there's no major issue with that. But okay guys, so what we're going to do now is just try and chop the rest of those bits off, put the stump in the corner, and then we'll take that down the dump at some point, and then we'll fill the hole back in.
Hey, that water might taste the wall.
Hey guys, so today we've been using this Wolf Garten. This isn't a sponsored video at all, I just love this brand. Perfect because you can attach a pole to it, and you can also just use it for, you know, pruning trees and stuff, and it's just so sharp and cuts through thick wood like nothing. So if you haven't got a chainsaw or something to hand and you got this in your shed, this is such a good piece of kit, guys. So I definitely recommend getting one of these. I don't know if you guys have this brand in the US, but yeah, I'd definitely recommend it, guys. Hey guys, so there we have it. One conifer tree removed. You know, I don't really like taking out these mature, sort of healthy trees, but sometimes it just has to be done, unfortunately. Customer wasn't happy, and I mean, you could even see that window before, so you can just imagine how much light is going in there now. But thanks a lot for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this. And if you guys like this content, don't forget to like and subscribe. That's awesome, guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot, guys.